Hi, in front of me is VIVO V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food app. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Applications and Permissions. Now click on Permission Management and select Default App Settings. Finally, just click on one of those sections that you wish to manage, in my case Browser. Lastly, click on an app that you wish to apply. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!